Hey guys, it's Joanie from simplelivingmama.com, and we're all loaded up in the van getting ready to go trunk or treating. So it's our very first Halloween event this year. And what do we have here? I have Captain America, my unicorn who is missing her horn, Spider-Man, Power Ranger. Ethan is not dressed up right now, which is fine. And then what are you? Captain Marvel. So here we go. Alright guys, this is going to be a pretty short video because Halloween was actually a very rainy and cold day. So we did end up taking the kids out, and I just didn't vlog very much at all. After we got home, we had our own little Halloween party. We watched Hocus Pocus twice that day, I think. And then we had some Halloween treats, which you will see here soon after these clips from the Halloween festival that we went to. I took some pictures and I added those here, but yeah, I just totally did not vlog. It was just not it was a dreary day, so it was kind of hard to vlog that day, but we still ended up having a lot of fun. I hope that you guys had a great Halloween. Tell me down in the comments below what you guys did for Halloween. What did you dress up as? And I hope that you have a great day, and I'll talk to you in the next video. Bye.